Are we on the right track? Feels like it. This is amazing.
At the heart of Africa, the journey begins beneath the mighty Mount Kilimanjaro. Perfect harmony. Across endless golden plains, explorers chase the sun and untold stories. Every step echoes freedom, swift, silent, and untamed. From the skies, the Great Migration paints the land with life and wonder. A new day in Africa begins. Kitty and Chick are ready for adventure. Look over there, Chick. The savannah is full of surprises. Wow, the zebras are racing across the golden plains. Ha-ha! Chick can't stop dancing to the rhythm of Africa. Who's that? A friendly jackal wants to join the fun. Shh! Look up! A lazy leopard is watching from above. After a long journey, Kitty and Chick arrive at an African village full of life. Look, Chick! The children greet them with big smiles and warm hearts. Wise elders share stories about their land, love, and traditions. Kitty and Chick bow with respect, feeling the spirit of Africa. Two kids join the mission. Their laughter fills the dusty road with joy. Together, they march through the savannah, searching for clean water. At last, Kitty and Chick lift the water high. Hope flows again. Chick holds up a tiny bottle, the first drop of hope in the desert sun. As evening falls, the villagers walk home, carrying water and new joy. Kitty and Chick watch and wonder, could this be the miracle they dreamed of? Together, they uncover the hidden well. Pure water, a gift for
there
all.
There it is.
Together, they uncover the hidden well. Pure water, a gift for all.
Chick tries to make his own necklace. Oops, beads everywhere.
The village cheers. Kitty and Chick dance under the glowing sunset.
The sky darkens. A storm is coming to Africa.
But suddenly, the sky darkens. A storm whispers through the savannah. Kitty shields Chick from the roaring wind. Friendship shines through fear. Zebras race across the plains, thunder echoing in their steps. Chick trembles, but Kitty's smile says, "We'll be okay." Then a raindrop falls. Laughter returns with the rhythm of hope.
in world.
Remember, the greatest adventures are not on any map, but within yourselves.
Join Kitty and Chick on their next amazing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow at Kitty Chick Learning for more adventures around the world.